Happy New Year, everyone. Lots of love and best wishes for the upcoming year 2021. Dear students, today we will be completing Grammar Fun of English Reader book. Let's start with page number 71, part G. Page number 71, part G. Children, write down the date. Part G, Grammar Fun. In this part, we have to frame questions for the sentence given here. First one has already been done for you. Let's start. Read the examples and frame questions for these sentences. Read the example and frame questions for these sentences. First one is, answer is yes, I can fly a kite. The question which you have to frame is, can you fly a kite? Put a question mark. First one has already been done for you. Second is, yes, I can do sums. Yes, I can do sums. The question we are going to frame is, can you do sums? Question mark. Can, C-A-N, can you do sums? Question mark. Next, number 3 is, no, comma, my father cannot cook. No, comma, my father cannot cook. Question is, can your father cook? Question mark. Can, C capital, C-A-N, can your Y-O-U-R, your father cook? Question mark. Last one is, yes, my grandmother can drive a car. Yes, my grandmother can drive a car. Question here is, can, C capital, C-A-N, can your Y-O-U-R, your grandmother drive a car? Question mark. Can your grandmother drive a car? Question mark. Once again, I am going to read the questions. Check it. Number 2 is, can you do sums? Question mark. Can your father cook? Question mark. Can your grandmother drive a car? Question mark. Now move to exercise H. Now look at the example and make some more questions. Now look at the example and make some more questions. Again, here you have to frame questions with does, D-O-E-S, does. First one has already been done for you. Sentence is, yes, comma, Arun likes to play. Yes, comma, Arun likes to play. The question here is, does Arun like to play? Question mark. Does Arun like to play? Question mark. Second is, the sentence is, yes, comma, Abes with apostrophe S. Mother works in a bank. Yes, Abes mother works in a bank. The question here will be, does, D-O-E-S, does Abes, A capital, A-B-H-A apostrophe S, Abes, A-B-H-A apostrophe S. Abes mother work, W-O-R-K, W-O-R-K, work in a bank? Question mark. Does Abes mother work in a bank? Question mark. Now move to page number 72. No, Raghu does not have story books. No, Raghu does not have story books. The question here will be, does, D capital, D-O-E-S, does Raghu have story books? Question mark. Does Raghu have story books? Question mark. Next is, yes, comma, Kitty has milk from a bowl. Yes, Kitty has milk from a bowl. This question here will be, does, D-O-E-S, does Kitty, K capital, K-I-T-T-Y, Kitty have, H-A-V-E, have, H-A-V-E, have milk from a bowl? Question mark. Does Kitty have milk from a bowl? Question mark. Now we will move to next exercise of grammar fun of next lesson. Page number 76, grammar fun. Page number 76, grammar fun. Children, note down the date here. Note down the date. Part G, look at the pictures. Fill in the blanks with in, on or under. In, on or under are prepositions. Preposition is a word used before noun or pronoun. Preposition is a word used before noun or pronoun. Here we will be doing prepositions. Look at the picture. The pub is in a tub. So the sentence here is the pub is in the tub. First one has already been done for you. The pub is in the tub. Look at the second picture. Where is the cat? Under the tables. The sentence is the cat is dash the table. In the dash we will write under, U-N-D-E-R. We can see the cat under the table. The cat is under, U-N-D-E-R, under the table. Next one, look at the picture. There is a beautiful nest. The eggs are dash the nest. Where are the eggs? In the. The eggs are in the nest. The eggs are in the nest. Last sentence, where is the frog sitting? The frog is dash the log. The frog is in the dash, we will write on, O-N, on the log. Look at the sentence once again. In the first it is in, second under, third again in, and in the last it is on. Now move to page number 77. I part, look at the picture and tick the correct word. Here two options has been given to you. You have to look at the picture here and then tick the correct preposition. These are also prepositions. First one is Mary is at or under the farm. Where is Mary? Mary is at, A-T, at the farm. Tick the word at, A-T, at. Second is the lamp is in or under the tree. Where is the lamp standing? Under, U-N-D-E-R, under the tree. Tick the word under. Number 3, a bird is near or on the fences. Where is the bird? On. Tick the word on, O-N, on. The bird is on the fences. Number 4, the ducks are in or on the pond. The ducks are in, I-N, in. Tick the word in. Number 5, a ladybird is under or on the flower. Where is the ladybird? Look at the yellow flower. It is on the flower. Tick the word on, O-N, on. The ladybird is on the flower. With this we have completed the exercise. Now move to next lesson. Time to be a rock, grammar fun, page number 84. Page number 84. Note down the date. And here we will be doing conjunctions. Part G. Use and to join the words. We have to use only and to join these words. A hen and, A-N-D, and a chick. A hen and a chick. Number 2, a lion and, A-N-D, and a mouse, M-O-U-S-E. Move to page number 85. A triangle and A and D and a rectangle. Last is an owl and A and D and a ladybird. In all the four sentences, we have joined the words with and, A and D and. Move to part H. Fill in the blanks with correct words. Two words have been given to you. You have to select the correct one. First is you can write with a pencil dash a pen. You can write with a pencil or a pen. You can write with a pencil or a pen. Second is Pooja opened the window dash looked out. From and but select the correct word. Pooja opened the window and looked out. A and D and. Third one is the sun had set dash it was not dark but or. In the dash we will put but B-U-T but B-U-T but the sun had set but it was not dark. The sun had set but it was not dark. Number 4, I have a toy train dash I cannot find it. Select the correct option or but. But B-U-T, tick the word. But B-U-T but. I have a toy train but I cannot find it. Number 5, Nudo loves to sing dash dance. Two options are again there, but and. Select the correct one. And A and D and. Nudo loves to sing and dance. Sing and dance. So check your answer. In the first it is or. In the second it is A and D and. In the third it is B-U-T but. In the fourth again it is B-U-T but. And in the last it is A and D and. With this, students, we have completed our grammar fun and this will be the part of English 1. Grammar fun, it is a part of English 1. With this, we have completed our syllabus. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.